Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1054 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan with a couple of warning messages above it. Here we have the do not disturb, make up room and please wait switches, and more light switches for the room below. Here we have the half bathroom with the climate control panel for the living room next to it. And going inside the half bathroom, we have storage beneath the sink on either sides of the sink, and the sink is in the middle with a box of tissues to the right of it with a bar of soap right there. There's a mirror above the sink, and right there we have the toilet with the bin and a couple of toilet rolls. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. There we have the sofa, the long one, and two armchairs. We have a coffee table in the middle with magazines, TV remote, welcome chocolates. And right here we have a flat screen LG TV. There we have the bin. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the recyclable materials to the left and the regular waste to the right. Here we have the pantry area. Above we have 4 bottles of water, the kettle, the coffee making thing, the coffee machine, light switch for the pantry area, and a couple of power outlets. Here we have the guest services directory and the in-room dining menu. Here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff with mugs, glasses, and whatnot. Here we have storage and the ice bucket. And here we have the empty fridge, so you can store your own items in there. Okay, so this is the entrance to the bedroom. Here we have the somewhat dining table with a couple of chairs, a light right above. And here we have the balcony, which is one of 2 for this room. It is locked, but as for the view, I do get the road leading up to the hotel. We can see Palm Garden Hotel and all the buildings in the distance. We can also see the highway that's in front of the hotel right there. And it's actually not a bad view. Okay, so there's the bed. On the right bedside table, we have the TV remote, writing materials, clock, in-room telephone, light switches, power outlet, USB-A ports, a light, a reading light, and on the left bedside table, it is empty, but we do get the same light switches right there with another power outlet, more USB-A ports, another light, and another reading light. Here we have the place to put luggage. And here we have another table with another chair, 2 sofa-like things, another flat screen LG TV, and the second of 2 balconies for this room with the same view as that balcony. Okay, moving along, we have the climate control panel for the bedroom right there with a mirror. Here we have the first wardrobe for this room with with drawers for storage. in-room safe, and more storage right above. In this wardrobe, we have in-room zippers below with the shoe shine stuff, bathrobes, hangers, ironing board, torchlight, and more storage above. Okay, so opposite the wardrobe area, we have the bathroom for the bedroom. This one's a full bath. So as you enter, we have toilet rolls right there, a bin, a couple of hooks right above, the toilet right there, the shower area with a towel, place to sit. There we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handout shower and the rain shower right above. To the right of the sink, we have a bar of soap, a box of tissues, 3 towels, and the box below the 3 towels. In there you can find your bathroom amenities. Down below we have more towels, the bath mat, and to the left of the sink we have bottles of water, a couple of glasses, another power outlet, more USB-A ports, another mirror. There's a mirror above the sink, hello, and the sink is right there. Here we have the bathtub. And this room actually has 2 doors. One leads into the living room, as shown earlier, and this door right here leads into the bedroom. So I entered from right there, and I exited from right here. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1054 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.